In this video, I'll detail how to enable or disable call and text on other devices on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy device or you have a Samsung device and you have Samsung tab, with the same Samsung account, you can enable call and text on other devices to make a phone call or text from your other Samsung device instead of using the default Samsung device. So if I did this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on or turn off text and call on other devices on Samsung Galaxy phone, all you need to do is go to your phone settings. On the settings page, locate connected devices. Then once you can locate that, locate call and text on other devices, click on that. Then here you see to call and text from your other devices, connect this phone to Wi-Fi or allow connection using Wi-Fi or mobile network. Go ahead and tap allow. Then come down here to configure this. Call on other devices, turn this on, and then turn this on. That's going to turn on call on other devices. Then tap test on other devices and then turn this on. So this is going to turn on test on other devices. So you can see supported devices that are signed into your Samsung account will be available here. So with this, you're able to make call or send a text message on your Samsung device when you have call and text on other devices turned on. So found this really helpful and informative. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.